So I'm working on a Super Sprint board over here. That was MAME. On the right we have the CPU, and on the left we have the video board. And I've just spent some time working on the video board and just got the sync back. When I turn it on here, you can see that we get a strange image. Ignore the sync problem, that's something unrelated. But the CPU starts to run. You can see it goes to the second screen and then the race, and it actually gets stuck here, and you never see any evidence of the cars being loaded. At least I don't see it. So I think the CPU is actually waiting for the video board to tell it that it has loaded what it needs. And I want to check this. So I grabbed a known working Championship Sprint video board, and I will attach it now. So this is with the Championship Sprint board attached, and you can see that some of the graphics are in the same place, but more importantly, the cars load and the game actually runs. So this confirms that the CPU board is probably working just fine, and my problems still exist on this video board, so I can continue on there and not spend my time thinking my CPU board is bad. So basically what I'm trying to say here is that you can use any System 2 video board, like probably even Paperboy or something, because they're all the same except for the ROMs themselves, and there's no program ROMs, they're just graphic ROMs. So any will work on probably on any System 2 CPU board for testing.